Okay, open our transformer. Now you're going to locate your LB box here, the one with the conduit coming down from the top. We're going to loosen your top screw. Remove the bottom screw. Take that out carefully. Just pivot your lid out of the way so you can't drop it and lose it. We're just going to put that screw back in the hole for now. Now you're going to pull your wires out. Two wire nuts here. You'll notice that one has two black wires and a red wire. The other one has this white wire, a white wire, and a black wire. Remove the tape from your wing nuts. Remove your wing nuts. You take your black wire away from the white wires. Alright. You're going to locate your transformer wire. This is your burner motor wire that's coming through with the jacket on it. So the other wire is your transformer wire. Remove that from the bundle. Now you're going to feed these two transformer wires. Gently pull your transformer wires out. Now your transformer is disconnected. The next step, you have to take the two 1/2-inch bolts out so we can remove the transformer from the burner housing. Alright, next we need to remove the transformer from the burner housing. Take your 1/2-inch wrench, come in here, loosen your bolts.
Okay, good.
And your transformer is free.
Hey, Arnie.
Alright, now we're going to take a new transformer. Always check the voltage. Make sure that you have the correct voltage for the unit you're running. We have a primary voltage of 120 60 cycle. That's what you need for this system. Careful not to pinch your wires on the other side. And line up your hinges and put your screws back in. You just want to snug them up, don't over tighten them. Alright, next.
Okay,
Alright, your new transformer has been bolted on. You're going to take your transformer wires, put them right back through and into the LB box. Now when you close your transformer, you have your two contacts right up here. You have to make sure that they're making good contact right here. So you're going to close that door carefully, make sure they contact, and that your transformer wire isn't getting pinched. Next, you want to retighten your wing nut. Just finger tight. And next we'll make the connections to hook the transformer back up. Alright, now here are your two transformer wires coming out and back into your LB box. You'll note at this time you got a black wire from the motor. That's the cord that has the jacket on in here. Here, these are your motor wires. And you hook the one red wire that comes down the conduit. So you got a black motor wire, your red power wire. Make sure they're together. Then take a transformer wire, one of them, twist it in. You're going to wire nut that so that you get a transformer, a burner, and your power wire. Right here, two blacks and a red. Always make sure you tape your wire nuts. That's as much for vibration as it is for safety. Make sure that your connections don't come apart. I always fold the end of the tape over so we can get them off again. Now, you have two white wires left. The one coming out of your burner power and the one coming down the conduit here. You're going to make sure that they're twisted up. Then take your other black wire from your transformer, and that goes right here. You're going to wire nut that, tape it also. Always check to make sure that your wires grab inside your nut, and tape it. Now you take your wire nuts, tuck them back into your LV box, take this extra transformer cord, kind of work it back into the LV box a little bit. Same thing here. All them wires tucked up in there nice. Sort of bring your lid box and your gasket back over. Put them down and close up your LV box again.
Hello.
Careful not to pinch any of your wires. Transformer's changed.